Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We're not taking the GTR out today, surprise surprise, I can't afford the petrol again, but we are going to Auto Italia. So as well, I thought all the Ferrari and Lamborghini owners might probably spit on the GTR parked in the overflow car park anyway. So we're taking the A6 and it gets good fuel economy. And my mother has broken her arm, so smash the like and subscribe button to help heal her arm by giving me more ad revenue, and that'd be really helpful. She's been really bored all week, so she actually wanted to come to Auto Italia. I think she might be even more ill than we originally suspected. But anyway, let's hop in the German whip, the diesel A6, which is actually a real comfortable ride, and drive on up to, well, up the M3, all the way to the Brooklands Auto Museum, to Auto Italia 2018. We've only arrived at the car park and already there are some pretty nice cars. Of course, I couldn't miss the Jaguar E-Type Soul's coming in, as well as the F-Type R next to it, obviously the V8. Those things sound awesome, but this E-Type is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. We're not even at the car show yet. God damn, it's gonna be a good morning. So initially upon entrance, we're greeted with a load of very nice old motorcycles, in addition to fields and fields of Ferraris, ranging from 430s to 458s to just everything really. There's a 360 over there and another 360 and a Ferrari California, mate. It's just everything. You know what? I'm not even going to talk. This is just going to be an epic montage video with probably 5 minutes of music and loads of nice video shortcuts. So enjoy. Not even kidding, there was genuinely an Enzo parked in between those two Ferraris over there. I walked around to get a shot of it, and by the time I walked around it disappeared. And I have no idea where it went. I'm assuming it's going over for the track demonstrations, but I've lost the Enzo. Now this is actually a first for me. I've never seen the Alfa Romeo 8C in person, but this is absolutely gorgeous. No matter how good the camera is you're using, you're never going to understand how good the red colour is on that. It's a real deep ruby blood red, and it just looks absolutely insane. I would quite like that as my next daily. A few other really cool cars I've got to point out, yet another Mura, and of course the Lambo, the LM002. I don't think I've ever seen one in person before, other than at a dealership, which was like parked up and pretty well hidden. But the line here is mad. You've got Murcielago, we have a Countach SV over here as well, which is absolutely crazy. Absolutely mental. And also Gardo Superleggera. What's that at the back there? There you go, the Lambo doors up on another Countach in red at the back there. It's just absolutely mad. As you can hear, I wish there was something I could do to make you smell what it smells like around here, because with all the old Italian cars, it just smells absolutely wonderful. Carcinogenic, but wonderful. Might actually be my new favourite colour on the Performante. Mate, look at that tealy colour. I hate the fact that I can't convey how good the colours are here, because that teal colour is just ludicrous, mate. Absolutely ludicrous. This is my dream spec. The Viola Pacifier is just such a ridiculous colour in person. Connected with that beautiful Verde Mantis contrast, that is the dream spec Performante, and of course my dream car at the same time. But mate, unreal. Look, just all these cars just pulling in, just Lambo after Lambo. I've never seen a lineup this big. This is mad. You can't not be a fan of the Tron Aventador. That is a sick wrap, absolutely love it. Of course that was sort of popularised by Yanama's on KSI's car, and with that awful rap song he did, but it still looks pretty sick. No matter how you look at it, it's a damn sick car. Now, of course, I thought the food vlog was the perfect place to round out the vlog itself. So yeah, it was a fantastic day. We've seen some amazing cars. We're currently at a pub in Elstead, which is on the way back, called The Mill. If you're ever around that area in Hampshire, really worth checking out. It's absolutely beautiful. And their food, I'm about to find out whether it's good or not, but the setting alone means I think the food better be good just to try and sort of compete with the setting alone. But yeah, it's amazing. Sat literally on top of a river, and it used to be an old mill. It's got all the old mill work still visible, and a beautiful garden, beautiful car park, and it's just it's almost having a wedding as well. So there's a nice old Chevy and a lot of a really good atmosphere in general. Seeing the Lamborghinis and of course the Ferraris was a pretty special occasion, especially with that 250 GT. That was gorgeous, absolutely unreal, and all the Miuras as well, the LM002, all the Puffermantes, you know, lots of Puffermantes, and all the Ferraris as well. It was just fantastic seeing all those cars. And I saw an Enzo and didn't get any shots of it because I don't know where it went. So you know, could have been better, but I tried my hardest. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, remember to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with my latest content, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll receive an email every time I upload, so you can stay super up to date. Hit the like button if you did enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys very soon with more awesome vlogs on travel and cars. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.